Alright, today I want to train an AI to learn how to shoot. Like this. Impressive, right? Do you think any human can do that? But honestly, it is quite stupid. Please. Okay, for someone who don't really know, this AI name is Jack. I hope it's not your name. Anyway, okay, in last video we got this model file and this is the brand of Jack. And it turns out I can plug the brand into my game. And this part happened because we can mix the continuous and discrete action together. And people wonder how I solve this? Actually, it's just messing up myself and well, it's not me to figure out this solution thanks to this guy. Cool. And I also need to change this control mode to ONNX inference. Damn. But then it leads to another problem because my action is changed from this to this. And the problem is the brain of Jack will crash. Because imagine this is your brain and I cut your brain to like this. Can you still survive? Alright, so the problem is I need to retrain the AI from scratch. Yeah. Okay, the first thing I do is I enable multi-agent training. So instead of one, there's a lot of Jack now. Okay, then the second thing I do is I separate player and Jack, which means Jack now is your friend. Then I just literally speed up everything and I also make a higher score to see the highest AI performance. Because I realized that most of the case I just wasting so many time. Then I realized, oh, the AI actually cannot see anything. Holy shit. But sometimes I also play with the dinosaur. Then I realized the game is just way too hard and absolutely cannot play at all. But we have one more thing to do, which is fix the bug and fix the bug and fix the bug until I someone give up and go to find my best friend, and it just turned out to make my code become even worse. Yeah, then I find my another friend and turns out to run out the daily message limit for every day. But anyway, I finally solved. Then I just speed up for like 2 times faster only because I will explain later. Okay, I trained for a while and now let's welcome Jack version 1-0. Woo! What is that? Where are you going? What the... Okay, nothing to see. But then I remember a wise word from Napoleon Bonaparte. Please don't watch. If the first time you fail, you are still sucks, you dumbass. Then I study more about machine learning, try to figure out what is going on behind it. And then actually, if you see the training process here, Jack actually performed well when training. But after export as a model file, Jack become an idiot. And the reason behind it is, at the process of training, Jack will do random move. Okay, a simple way to understand is, this process Jack is learning. And after export as a file, he should move to the right. This is what Jack learned so far. Only. Damn. And then I remember another wise word from Napoleon Bonaparte. Man. Okay, so no more initiate. The solution for this is I rewrite entirely every code for Jack because I want to build a continuous reward giving system. No need to understand. Not important. The important thing is I watch this video again.
They will train this cube agent to go to the target.
Okay, then I train for version 2. Then I speed up like 4 times faster. And actually there's a timestamp here to see how long you have trained so far. And usually 40,000 each time is just enough. Because beyond than that, this will happen. Yeah, I'm glad my GPU is still alive. And I also add a color for more visualization. Just ignore this. Yeah, and also sometimes I have no idea why this happened. Look, sometimes Jack just learn to just start at the wall and do nothing. This means my algorithm tells that this is the best solution for this game. And also I have counted this bug happen. I have no idea why this happened. Maybe some of you know, can comment in the below. Yeah, something with leaks. Is it? I hope it's not my credit card number. Anyway, I skipped a lot of training process behind because if I record every process behind it, my GPU is no longer 90 degree. Probably become golden brown already. Anyway, now it's the result for version 9. Wow, it works. But I don't know you guys remember or not, this is just movement. This means I have done nothing about shooting so far. Yeah, which is the point of the video. Okay, now finally it's shoot. Okay, for shooting, I need to create a new AI node and retrain another AI from scratch. This means it leads to multi-agents. And actually it turns out to be very hard. Yeah, beyond my understanding. But I know you're wondering how this can happen. Right. The answer is, this is not actually machine learning. This is cheating because it just auto shoot everything coming inside, and I think this is also some sort of intelligence. I don't know. Okay, never mind. Okay, so in this case, in order to use machine learning to solve to train the AI for shooting, first I need to calculate the angle between the gun and the target, and after calculate the angle, then I need to calculate the difference. Okay, nothing more. Hehe, just cheating. There is a wise word from the CEO of Void Core. Every time you feel suffer, just remember, game development is also game. Why so serious, right? Makes sense. So smash this like button if you think this video is related. Okay, see you. 那 CPU 屌你，妈的！ I finally figured out AI think this is the best action is because I give too many punishment for the AI to move to the right, and the AI just think, oh, the right side is so dangerous at all, and I think we should not move to the right. And the AI try to move to the left. Then the AI realize, oh, move to the left is less punishment compared move to the right. So yeah, in this case, the best movement is move to the left. But I cannot increase the punishment to the left so many because if I do that, the AI will think, oh, I should not move to the left at all. So I should just brainlessly move to the right, like an idiot. So when the AI counter some obstacle or bullet needs to move to the left to dodge, the AI will think, no, I should not move to the left. Move to the left is so many punishment. I can move to the left in all cases. So the AI will just get to the wall and die. Oh damn. I've counted a lot of human brain biases I've never counted before, right? Reward balancing. Yeah, this is the best annoying thing in machine learning. If you want to understand more, just go to understand the machine learning. Yeah, I highly recommend that you go to understand it. I have no idea what am I talking about. I think pretty much like crazy people. Yeah. Of course, yes.